Hey guys, welcome back. Today's set is full of extraordinary gadgets. Some of them will brighten up your worldview, some will improve your gaming skills, and all that with cool music. Stay to the end. There's a lot of light in here. Those who watch the video till the end can take part in our giveaway and win one of the cool gadgets from this video. Follow some rules and test your luck. First, you need to find all the YouFact logos in the video and write down in one comment the exact time every logo appears. You can see the example on the screen. The rest is announced at the end of the video. Here we go. It's quite common that you charge your gadgets, but what about your shoes? Yep, meet optic LED shoes. The upper part is made of new fiber optic material, which is light, soft, and glows with 7 different colors. Just don't forget to charge the sneakers for 2 to 3 hours beforehand. The button inside the strap on the heel makes it easy to switch the light on and off. Don't worry, it won't affect your comfortable wearing experience. Non-slip and durable EVA outsoles provide good cushioning for your feet when you're walking. These sneakers will light up your feet and catch all eyes on you. A perfect match to the previous gadget, this mask lights up step by step when it hears either music or any voice. Since it has an adjusting switch of sound sensitivity, the LED light panels are powered with 2 AAA batteries. All you need is to connect the buckle, press the button, and enjoy people's envy faces at the party. They won't take their eyes off you. This wall charger is a real powerhouse. Despite the super compact size, it's the first charger this small to be 200 watt capable. It allows to quickly charge up to 4 devices at a time, including tablets and laptops. With this thing, you can actually charge 2 MacBook Pros simultaneously at full speed. There are 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports, which suit most devices on the market. On top of that, there's a bunch of travel adapters included in the package for worldwide connectivity. If you need something even more portable, you can choose between 2 smaller versions, but you'll have to sacrifice some power then. The midsize option is limited to 100 watts and 3 USB ports, and the smallest one offers only 2 ports with a maximum power of 65 watts. Choose your fighter. Wine lovers need some good equipment to enjoy their favorite drink at its finest. You have to mind the temperature and preservation for every bottle. This Italian gadget will do that for you. It uses smart bags to preserve wine for up to 6 months after opening, so you can open multiple bottles and enjoy a glass of every kind whenever you want. What's more, it allows you to set the preferred temperature manually for each wine and follow the professional recommendations in the app. You can even set the temperature remotely so the wine will be ready when you come home. The gadget is compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. This is the smart way to drink. Do you like the idea of turning bottles into lamps? This accessory is made for that purpose. The LED light fits most of the bottles and can be charged via USB. You don't need the batteries. It's a good alternative to candles since it excludes the fire hazard. There's no better way to light up your garden patio on a warm summer evening or kitchen table for a romantic evening meal. If you're looking for a wireless charger for your smartphone, here's a great option. First and foremost, it's really fast thanks to the dual charging coils. The active area is fairly large, so you don't have to search for the right position. Moreover, you can place your phone both vertically and horizontally. That means you'll be able to enjoy multimedia content while charging. And speaking of that, this charger has an integrated Bluetooth speaker. It uses the latest Bluetooth 5.0 for fast and uninterrupted connection. The integrated NFC chip allows you to activate the speaker when you place the smartphone on the stand. Now you won't have to choose between YouTube and battery life. Some people take off their glasses at parties, and some people have these. So these are the most futuristic LED glasses that are easy and fun to use. They connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth to enable all sorts of customization. In the mobile app, you can choose animations, images, text, and even DIY graffitis to show off. The large screen consists of 432 LED units. What's more, these glasses work up to 8 hours on one charge. And thankfully, the plastic frame is really lightweight. In the package, you'll also get a USB charging cable and a carrying pouch. Guess it's the easiest way to stand out in a crowded place. Or you can draw attention by bringing this huge, colorful speaker. More precisely, there are 3 speakers packed inside, providing immersive stereo sound and deep bass. Aside from Bluetooth, you'll also get a bunch of input options, including USB and aux. On top of that, there's a microphone port, so you can turn this speaker into a portable karaoke machine. It should be really fun with 5 pre-installed sound effects for jazz, rock, and other genres. The built-in LED lights provide your music with a colorful atmosphere. Thanks to the large 4,000 milliamp-hour battery, this thing lasts 10 hours on one charge. You can carry it using the handles or the removable shoulder strap. A loud party is guaranteed. Everyone who's into VR knows about Oculus. This company has been leading the VR gaming for years now. Their latest headset, called Quest 2, is really impressive. Now you can finally set it up without a PC or console. You'll need the included controllers and a mobile app to log in. Compared to the first version, the pixel density has doubled, so the screen must be impressive, and the integrated speakers provide 3D cinematic sound for live concerts, movies, and games. By the way, the headset already supports tons of major titles, and the list is growing. In the nearest future, Quest 2 might also become a great productivity tool. With the new experimental interface called Infinite Office, you'll be able to work at home like never before. Even 10 monitors put together won't give you that unprecedented immersive experience. The update is about to roll out this winter. As mobile gaming becomes more and more advanced, it requires appropriate accessories. Check out this innovative mobile controller. First of all, it features an adjustable grip fitting different screen sizes from 4.7 to 6.5 inches. It's compatible both with iOS and Android devices. The non-slip soft pad prevents your phone from sliding or scratching. Now, here comes the big features. This controller is equipped with a cooling fan to deal with overheating, just like in PCs. Also, there's a built-in 4,000 milliamp-hour power bank so you can charge your phone while playing. This thing is a must-have for mobile gamers, and a problem for school teachers. This is the sort of thing every man dreamed of as a boy. Well, it's never too late. This Slingshot gives you the power you never had with the DIY ones. It's incredibly sturdy thanks to the high-quality materials. The ergonomic wooden handle provides a secure and comfortable grip. As you see, the Slingshot is super easy to assemble. The package also includes 2 durable rubber bands and 100 magnetic balls for shooting games. But you can go even further with the Pro versions. They feature laser aiming and multiple bright colors. You get the astonishing fire accuracy. Aside from the balls, you can also shoot with stones or paintballs. Definitely a must-have for young fathers. Time to increase your hand skills and create something really outstanding. The result is worth the effort. You'll get a cool rainbow clock for your desk. 2 buttons on the back will help you to set the time, temperature, and day of the week. You can also choose one of 13 colors and several color effects and animations. The built-in photo resistor allows the clock to adjust the brightness according to the surrounding light. You can activate the display using voice commands or by simply tapping the desktop. Thanks to the integrated buzzer, there's also a countdown function, and of course you can set an alarm as well. The USB power cable is included in the package, so despite its DIY, you actually get quite a powerful tool. And here's a super creative fidget spinner design. It imitates the shape of a revolver cylinder and reminds of the Wild West. You can even load it with bullets. Well, kind of. The spinner's made of stainless steel and should feel really good in your hand, plus it comes with a cool leather case for convenient carrying. Guess the fidget spinner game isn't over yet. As you've watched the video to the end, you'll definitely want to take part in our giveaway and win a mobile game controller. Subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment with the exact time every YouFact logo appeared. Haven't done that yet? Watch the video one more time. If this video collects 1,000 likes, we'll choose the winner in our next video. And don't forget to open your subscriptions. All the info's given in the description below. Good luck, everyone.